52 Traders, episode 45.
View your trades in statistically significant data sets. And to be honest with you, the outcome of a single trade to me is completely irrelevant.
Over the next year, your host Cam Hawkins gets inside the minds of 52 of the world's best traders to find out if he has what it takes to become one of them. Join Cam every week on the 52 Traders podcast or at 52traders.com to learn how to trade like the pros. This podcast is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not investment, trading, or financial advice of any kind. Trading is very risky and could lose you all of your capital. Any comments about historical performance are not an indication of future results.
Before we kick things off, remember to register for my free webinar where you can watch me turn simple trading strategies like the one you're going to hear on the show today into fully automatic MetaTrader 4 expert advisors, all in less than 45 minutes, and you get to keep whatever I create. You can register today at automatemytrading.com or 52traders/webinar. What's up, traders? Welcome to another weekly installment of the 52 Traders podcast. And today we're lucky enough to have Thomas Light on the show. Now, Thomas is a highly regarded technical analyst who has built a wealth of expertise in price behavior analysis. As the head of research, Thomas oversees the development of Faraday's multi-asset trading strategy. Thomas started his professional career at Hargreaves Lansdown. He became responsible for the portfolio analysis of over 40 of the UK's leading fund management groups. Thomas joined Faraday Research in 2011 and has developed effective trading strategies for shares, currencies, and global indices. Welcome, Thomas, and thanks for joining me here on the 52 Traders podcast this week.
Hi, Cam.
Cool. Righty-ho. So I've mentioned some of your highlights already, and I know that's only a small part of your story. So can you tell the listeners a bit more about you personally and what first attracted you to trading?
Yeah, so my first job after graduating from uni was with an asset management company. And after 2 months in the job, Northern Rock went under and the financial crisis kicked in. So during that period, I could see a lot of long-only investment funds getting absolutely destroyed, and some big market swings as well on a daily basis. So I guess it was the ability to make money in falling markets which initially attracted me to trading, really.
Cool. And what do you do outside of trading?
Well, lucky enough to be based in satellite offices down in Cornwall, so a lot of my spare time is spent surfing. When I'm not surfing, I'm normally running or swimming, stuff like that, really.
And so was there anything in particular, like a moment in time that you sort of thought, right, I'm going to have a crack at trading? And what was your first step into trading?
Yeah, I mean, it basically during that period, working with the asset management company, really my interest in the markets grew to such an extent whereby most of my my spare time and my evenings and weekends were spent back testing trading strategies and studying price action. And you know, when you're a young 20-year-old guy and you're spending your weekends looking at price charts, you know you've kind of got a passion for something. So it was a case of repositioning my career away from the long-term investment and moving towards my passion, which was short-term trading. So yeah, from then I focused on taking my analyst exams. This was over a 4-year period, and then took a role as a junior analyst with an advisory stockbroking firm, and that really took my trading to the next level, really.
Okay, so for those listening for the first time, we're about to enter a round I like to call it fundamentals, and this is where I'll be asking Thomas to tell us stories that will help you understand what makes him a successful trader. So, Thomas, can you give the listeners some insight into your trading style, strategy, timeframes, winning percentages, instruments, that sort of thing? Okay, so that was the first part of the show. Now, to hear the full episode, the best bits, join the family at 52traders.com. They usually go for about 45 minutes to an hour long. And trust me, these shows are great. They give us so much insight. Now, if you want to get there quickly, all you need to do is jump into the show description on your phone, and there's a link taking you directly to 52traders.com, where you can join the family over there and listen to the full episode. Now, in the rest of the show, I cover off what my traders do differently from the rest of us. So what is it that they're doing that we're not doing? What their typical trading day looks like, what they would do if they had a day job now and wanted to trade for a living, their preferred trading strategy, so actually how does it work, what we should be educating ourselves on when we're looking at a price chart, so what indicators we should use, what price levels, what chart patterns, all those sorts of things. Also, we touch on fundamentals as well, so how do we use news to our advantage? Trading psychology, tips, tricks, techniques, we go through those. Exiting trades, managing trades that you've got running. So we talk about their strategies. They give you strategies for exiting and managing trades. Books to read, websites to visit, all the best ones. Something that you should try and master over the next month. The broker and platform they use. And finally, last but not least, they give us a full trading strategy. So something you guys can try out at home on your PC this week in the markets if you wish. Now, to get the full episode, you need to jump onto 52traders.com, join the family. As I said, it usually goes on for 45 minutes to an hour, and there's a link in the show description, so if you're on your phone, just jump on there, tap the link, and it'll take you straight to 52traders.com. Now, if you're thinking about learning to automate any of your trading, hiring a developer, learning to code, that sort of thing, then before you do that, jump onto my other website, automatemytrading.com. So if you're interested in automating some or all of your trading, then jump onto automatemytrading.com and you'll see me over there. For now, to hear the rest of this episode, all you need to do is click on the link in the show description or go to 52traders.com. See you there.